Hello guys, today we're taking a look at the MSI G274QPX 27-inch gaming monitor, a high-performance display built for fast, competitive gameplay. This monitor features a 2560x1440 QHD resolution on a rapid IPS panel, delivering sharp detail and vibrant color with wide viewing angles. Whether you're exploring detailed environments or tracking opponents in a shooter, visuals stay clear and consistent. Performance is where it really stands out. With a 240 Hz refresh rate and a fast 1 millisecond response time, motion feels incredibly smooth and responsive. Fast-paced action stays crisp, helping you react quickly in intense matches. It's also G-Sync compatible, which helps reduce screen tearing and stutter for a cleaner gaming experience. HDR400 support adds extra contrast and brightness, giving highlights more punch and improving depth in darker scenes. MSI also includes eye care features like anti-flicker technology and blue light reduction to make long gaming sessions more comfortable. The adjustable stand allows for height, tilt, swivel, and pivot customization, making it easy to dial in your ideal setup. While reflections can be noticeable in very bright rooms, overall this monitor delivers strong speed and clarity for serious gamers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.